Hey everyone, today we are diving into a super important topic for anyone interested in web development. What is CSS? Stick around because by the end of this video you will understand what CSS is, why it matters, and how it brings websites to life. Let's get started.
So CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually pretty straightforward. CSS is a language used to style and design web pages. Think of it as a magical wand that makes website look visually awesome, colors, fonts, layouts, and all other jazz.
Here's the deal. HTML is like a skeleton of a website. It gives structure like heading, paragraphs, and images. But without CSS, it's just boring plain page like this. But CSS comes in to add the style like choosing colors, arranging elements, and even adding cool effects like hover animation. Together, HTML and CSS are the dynamic duo of the web design that you can also see on your screen. On the right side, there is the website without the CSS, while on the left side, the same website is with the CSS. There is a huge difference, isn't there?
So, how does CSS actually work? CSS uses rules to tell the browser how to display HTML elements. Each rule has a selector like this which selects the element for which we are styling, and then a set of properties like this. In this example we are targeting the color property which edits the text color of an element. To edit the properties of an element, firstly we write the property name, then these colons, and then we write a condition. Here we wrote color equals red. This changes the text color of h1 to red. Then we have to write an semicolon. Then we close this curly braces. If I write a CSS rule that says make all my headings red, that rule will be written like this, because if we write only h1 here, this selects all the h1 on our website. Thus, the browser will apply that style to every heading on the page. Now you might be wondering why cascading style sheets. The cascading part means that the CSS follows a hierarchy. If multiple styles apply to the same element, the browser decides which one wins based on the things like specificity or the order of the rules. It's like a waterfall of styles flowing down to create the final look. Why is CSS so important? Well, it's not just about making things pretty. CSS helps with following things. Number 1. Consistency. You can style an entire website with one CSS file, keeping everything uniform. Number 2. User experience. Good design makes websites easier to navigate and more engaging. Number 3. Responsiveness. CSS lets you create websites that look great on phones, tablets, and desktops. Number 4. Efficiency. Change one CSS rule and it updates every page that uses it. Other than these, in today's modern world, every website uses CSS, so there is no chance to make a website without CSS.
That's the scoop on CSS. It's the key for turning plain web pages into stunning and user-friendly experiences. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and let me know in the comments what CSS tricks are you excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more tech tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.